Ẹ káàbọ̀. Last time, we learned Yoruba question word. Today, you will learn how to ask yes or no question using ṣé. This will help you to sound more natural when speaking Yoruba. Please watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Now, let's see how we can use ṣé to ask a simple question. What is ṣé? Ṣé in Yoruba language is a question maker. It usually comes at the beginning of a sentence, and it is used to turn a statement into a question that requires either yes or no as an answer. Please note it does not change the sentence structure, so you don't need many words to ask a question. Sometimes just adding ṣé at the beginning of the word is enough. Let's look at some examples. Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Kúlé díà. Ṣé o ti jẹun?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo ti jẹun. Báwo ni iṣẹ́ lénìí?
A dúpẹ́.
Remember I said earlier that ṣé only turn the sentence to a question. It does not change the sentence structure. Now, o ti jẹun is a sentence here, which means you have eaten, while ṣé o ti jẹun is a question, which means have you eaten? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni is yes, while rárá means no.
Ẹ káàsán mà.
Káàsán ṣé dáadáa ni?
A dúpẹ́ mà.
Do you still remember this word, ṣé dáadáa ni? It was among the greetings we did earlier. And ṣé dáadáa ni means I hope you're fine or are you good? Then dáadáa ni here means I am fine or I am good. Are you getting it? Good.
Hello, báwo ni?
Mo wà o, ṣé o wà nílé? Rárá o, mò ń bọ̀.
Ó wà nílé is a sentence and it means you are at home. Are you at home as a question is ṣé o wà nílé, and the response rárá means no. And I'm sure you still remember mò ń bọ̀, which means I am coming. Are you following? Thank you. Now, these two questions were used as informal in this lesson. Ṣé o ti jẹun and ṣé o wà nílé. I would like you to use them in a formal way in the comment section and let me see how you interpret them. Have you eaten and are you at home? In a formal way as your homework, then I will give you a shout out in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you in the next lesson. Ó dàbọ̀.